How to find your Instagram password and username. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find your Instagram password and username. Well, to get your username is pretty quite easy and simple. Open the app and all you need to do is go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Here you can find your Instagram username. Pretty simple and easy, right? To get your password, there is no actual way to look at your password or find your password due to the security reasons. But if you head over to the three-line icon that you can find and go into settings, now here you'll find the option security. Just tap on it. Now tap on saved login info, and if you toggle on this saved login option, then you might not have to remember your login password again. You can just log out and log in again. But you do have an option to change your password. If you type in password, you'll get an option to change your password. Now you need to write your current password and then type in new password and then click on the tick mark that you can find on the top right of the screen. This way you'll be able to change your password, but there won't be specific way to view your password. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.